Welcome back to my kitchen. It's DiGiacomo. It's almost time to go shopping again, so today it's all about what's in the fridge and how we can use it before we lose it. So I wanted to do a simple everything crusted salmon with some cucumber and radish salad and a lemony yogurt dressing. Keeping it simple today, so let's get started. I have 2 salmon fillets, about 6 ounces each. Half a cup of Greek yogurt, tablespoon of honey, 1 lemon, about 2 tablespoons of fresh dill, 1 garlic clove, tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of everything but the bagel seasoning, 3 mini Persian cucumbers, and about 7 radishes. So this dish has 3 simple components to it: the dressing, the fish, and the salad. I like to do the dressing first so that I have everything ready for when I want to plate my dish. So let's peel our garlic clove. And we're going to use our microplane to grate our garlic clove into the yogurt. This way you get a nice smooth sauce and no pieces of garlic in it. Oops. We're going to do the same with our lemon. We want some of that zest in it and some of the juice. Gives that nice lemony flavor. We always press our lemon in our hand so that we can get the most juice out of it. We're going to use half in the dressing, and we're going to save the other half for our salad. Same thing with our dill, about half of our dill. With our honey. A few cracks of black pepper. Just a little bit of salt. Give it a good whisk and set it aside. So we're ready for the second component of our dish, which is to crust and cook our salmon. We have our Dijon mustard that we're going to brush on top of the salmon, and we have our everything but the bagel seasoning. And we have sesame seeds, sea salt, minced garlic, minced onion, black sesame seeds, and poppy seeds. Note that there's salt in this already. We're just going to put a few grinds of black pepper, but no extra salt. So just a little bit of our mustard. It's going to help all that seasoning stick to the salmon. few grinds of cracked black pepper. So our pan is nice and hot. We have about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in it. Go in with our salmon. Give it a good minute or so on the first side with the crust. Check our color, it's nice color. So we flipped it for another minute or so. I just want to add a little bit of water to the pan and give it a quick cover, and then we'll cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. We'll check it to make sure that it's not. So let's check our fish. It's good to go. This took about 3 minutes. We'll take it out of our pan. Just let it rest so that we can put our dish together. So the third component of our dish is our simple salad that's going to go to the side of our salmon. We have our cucumbers that we're going to do some ribbons, and we have our radishes for nice crunchiness. And we're just going to dress it with some lemon juice and olive oil. So we have the 3 components of our dish. We have our yogurt sauce, our fish, and our salad, and we're ready to assemble our dish. And there we have it. Our Keep It Simple lunch is ready. Hope you found this salmon recipe simple enough today. Probably have all of the ingredients in your fridge or cabinet. We're having it for lunch, but you can put a few roasted potatoes with it have it for dinner with your favorite white wine. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and see you next time.